right through and then up to trot again. Scoot forward your legs. Lovely. You didn't move. Smaller arc, less effort. Nice. And walk. That's very nice, Sandra. Try it in the other rein. It'll just be a wee bit harder on this rein, but you've got it on that rein. You're very, very still. It looks to me, I don't know how it feels to you, but it looks to me as though you're doing minimal effort. Yourself, somewhat like when, I don't know, when I was wee at school, people gave me bumps for your birthday. And the way that you coped with getting 19 bumps was that by about bump number 5, you tend to go back. That's what he's doing. If he's used to you kicking with the legs, you can tense his sides so he doesn't feel so tough. The problem with tensing his sides is that it stops the swing of the barrel. No, you're right. Now you're still, what's happening? You tried too much on this because he's not going forward enough. So give him a wee tap, a wee squeeze and then a wee tap. Good. Now, that's it. Now you're ready. Now I want you to remember to pick up, swing the barrel this one. Just slow your rise. It's not quite vigorous rise. Slow it, slow it, slow it, slow it. Good. Less. Still rising quite a bit. And walk, swing the barrel. Don't pull back. That's it. I want you to march forward in that walk. One more go. That's a nice walk now. Just cracking up. So just a minute, like 2 strides of ping pong, hardly any. That's it. Just watch you're not collecting it too much. That's nice, Sandra. Just when you're ready, I'm not good. That's very nice. Very nice. Well done. Big pat.